Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and simple layout using the Pretty Prints Designer Series papers from the new annual catalog. This paper pack includes 12 sheets, 4 each of 3 double-sided designs, with subtle yet striking floral imagery and beautiful color washes. You won't believe how many different colors coordinate with this gorgeous paper. You can find it on page 133 of the new catalog. Let's take a look at the paper and all the designs before we dive into the project. I'm going to start with some die cutting. I'll use my stitched rectangle dies and cut one small rectangle from white cardstock. Then I'll use a larger die to cut 3 rectangles of the same size from my Pretty Prints Designer Series papers. I'm going to stamp a sentiment from Peaceful Moments stamp set on my small white rectangle. And that's it. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'll embellish with some polished dots. I realized I made a mistake when choosing my papers. I wanted to copy this card I'd made earlier. Notice that my first card shows 3 different designs on the different pieces of Designer Series paper. With this card, I was in a rush, and I forgot to choose my papers carefully. Do you think this card still looks good? And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!